question for you and Tiku. F3 played in Mukesh's game, by the way. Which David will resign first? Will it be David Anton versus Mukesh or David Navara versus Arvind? Which David will resign first, chat? Let us know quickly while you hit the like button and subscribe.
David Anton, it will be, because I think David Navara will fight in the endgame for a while, try to defend it, try to trick his opponent, but this one is all but over. F1 बढ़ चुका है, Bishop H3 आने वाला है, and there is absolutely no defense. Mukesh yawns, but I think it's a yawn of relaxation. चलो भाई, the tournament is over and I'm winning.
No, I'm finally winning. That is what Muki is thinking. Oh, he takes the bishop.
Both are winning for Mukesh. Even F2 is winning actually. That's hilarious.
That's shocking.
Yeah. Okay, Arso subdued 700 and
Oh my god.
88 subs away from 1 million. Hold play button. That will be only the second ChessCon channel, Rakib, if I'm not mistaken, to get 1 million subs after the global channel, right? I don't think so anybody has done it before.
No, it's only the global channel. Maybe Chess 24 global के भी नहीं है.
So huge. Second gold play button for Team India.
Anton काफी लोग बोल रहे डेविड वार्नर, डेविड हॉवेल, बढ़िया भाई. Come on, Gookie.
डेविड काफी कॉमन नाम है यार. Clearly. He takes the knight there. Very solid.
Simple choice. I like it. He keeps things simple.
देखो एक पॉइंट की वैल्यू, ये पॉइंट नहीं होता तो यहाँ पे रुक टेक्स ये जाता. एक पॉइंट की वैल्यू तुम से जाने. डेविड का.
Oh, 999-222.
Oh, nice.
ऐसा कोई कॉल सेंटर का नंबर लगा है. सब अनसब्सक्राइब करने लगे लोग ताकि वो नंबर
वो हो जाएगा.
चैट. अरे मस्ती कर रहा था, सब्सक्राइब कर. उल्टा that side. GF3 what? Oh, he's trying to play this Tiku. David Anton wants to get a rook, bishop versus rook position.
Yeah, but his problem is कि भाई you can never really move the rook off the back rank. You can take now. I'll simply play rook a6 and back rank checkmate है. So you have to bring the rook back, and then I can just bring the king up, and you will basically lose. So this pawn is the trump card, and until this pawn is alive, I think it's winning.
Oh, Kaushik Jalan is giving a great idea. Samay, can we do this? Last 800 for 1 million subs title में. But I think ये लोग दोनों इतने जल्दी जीत रहे हैं ना. It's looking tough time wise also.
I think last 800 also title में I'm not sure it will work actually.
Last 1K लिख रहे थे वो.
Maybe it's okay. I think this is good. Let's hope for the best, bhai. I think we can
because
just do 1 million sub stream. I think 1 million sub stream is good. But I think Chess 24 India wouldn't make sense. Chess.com India better, because that's when we're reaching 1 million subs.
So just go live for like 10 minutes.
We can go live tomorrow. It's possible. But not the same thing, yeah. Somehow, like I don't know, like.
हाँ, इवेंट के बीच में हो रहा था. भाई और क्या दिन था आज. 4 इंडियन जीते यार. Imagine that. मतलब.
Exactly.
Okay, Gookie twirling a pawn in his right hand. He is waiting to accept David Anton's resignation, I think.
Yeah.
I know we'll reset today.
Yeah, maybe like 1 बजे भी हो सकता है, like 11 बजे भी हो सकता है. तो हो ही जाएगा.
Mishra bhai बोल रहे it might be this stream itself.
Yeah.
But what a victory, and David Anton gets his king out of the way.
Yeah. Okay, 6, nice move. And wait, now can't even take this. Wait, what did he play? Because this is even worse.
Rook
though.
a6.
You can't even take
अभी
the
तो
pawns.
pawn भी नहीं मिला.
हाँ.
And the rook can't move from the back rank. I am expecting a resignation in the next 2 to 3 minutes.
Yeah, Rook D1, he's backing the pawn, but to be honest, doesn't look like something he can survive. I'm hoping this king back here, king back, king here should be a win. F7, physically stopping the pawn. That should invite hesitation. Be careful though. Notice the evaluation bar while changing the games. True, because एक side पे black winning और एक side पे white winning, so it does take a huge leap there. Bar shows plus 78 for Rookie. Damn, how do you put 78 pawns on the board though? Maybe like 10 queens, yeah? Come on, chat. 1K people watching. Do you like the stream? Let's get to 5 likes.
Aye.
You subscribe. Huh?
I 1K watching. We just need like 750 people to subscribe. Please,
Chat.
quickly.
Do
Chat,
subscribe.
please.
Do subscribe. We might reach 1. And there it is. Mukesh has won the game. David Anton resigns. And that is a much needed victory for the world champion who wins his first game of the event. And does he finish in last place is the important question, Rakesh bhai. I don't know.
I think it will be shared anyway, so he at least doesn't finish in dead last. He finished ninth. He finished ninth.
Oh,
He has a
बच
better
गए भाई.
tie break. Head to head हुआ. So in